Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be looking at velocity time graphs. Now, before we start, it's worth watching the distance time graph videos so that you're familiar with how to work out a slope. On a velocity time graph, on the y-axis we have velocity in meters per second, and on the x-axis we have time in seconds. The upward slope gives us acceleration. The horizontal line gives us constant velocity. And the downward slope, you can call it negative acceleration, you can call it deceleration, or you could call it slowing down. So let's give it the proper term of deceleration. I'm going to run out of space there, doesn't matter. Okay? Now, there's two things that you must be able to do on a velocity time graph. The first thing is to work out the acceleration. Now, the acceleration is, in this case, slope. And to work out the slope, it is rise divided by run. Just to quickly recap, just to show you how that's done again, you just draw a right-angled triangle. Remember, it doesn't matter how big. You work out how big it is, so it would be, for example, here 7 minus, let's call that 2.5, okay, divided by 4 minus 1. So it's 3 down here. What's 7 minus 2.5? That's 4.5. So to do the rise over the run, it would be 4.5 divided by 3, and that will give you your acceleration in meters per second. Okay? If they ask for the acceleration of this straight bit, it would be 0 meters per second. The second thing that they will ask you to do is to work out the distance covered. Okay? Now, the distance covered in this case is going to be the area under the graph. So let's have a look at that. Let's just delete this part here. Let's delete that. Let's delete that. Okay? Now, as you can see, this graph, you can divide it into 3 bits. We've got a triangle down here. We've got a rectangle here, so 1 triangle, 1 rectangle, and 1 triangle. So to work out the area, let's do the rectangle first. That's very easy. That's going to be base times height. So here you're going from 4.5 to 9, so that's 4.5 multiplied by 8. That would give you the area of that. That gives us the distance, and remember, distance is measured in meters. For a triangle, it's base times height divided by 2, or you could also write half base times height. It is the same thing. Okay, and again, this is a triangle as well. So it's base times height divided by 2. You work out all of those, you add them together, that gives you a total distance. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.